You know how sometimes a company makes a move that just doesn't sit right with fans? Yeah, Samsung kind of did that recently. For years, the S Pen has been this iconic part of Samsung's identity. People loved it on the Note, they love it on the Ultra, and naturally, everyone expected Samsung's best foldable to use it too. But instead of doubling down, Samsung went the opposite direction and completely removed S Pen's support from the Galaxy Z Fold 7. And honestly, a lot of fans weren't happy, but now things are getting interesting again. Because Samsung might be planning something way bigger than just fixing the Fold. Instead, they may be working on a totally different foldable altogether that does bring the S Pen back. And this time, it could be designed to go head-to-head with Apple's first foldable iPhone. According to new leaks from Korean sources, Samsung is secretly working on what's currently being called the Galaxy Wide Fold. Think of it like a broader, more tablet-like foldable with a 4:3 aspect ratio, something a lot closer to an iPad mini when unfolded than the tall, narrow design we've been used to with the Z Fold series. And here's the important part. This wider design could finally make proper S Pen support possible again. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 dropped the digitizer purely because Samsung wanted to make it thinner. The Fold 7 is already around 8.9 millimeters thick unfolded, and Samsung has been obsessed with slimming these things down every generation. But the trade-off was losing something many people genuinely valued. With this new wide fold, Samsung apparently isn't afraid of going a bit thicker, which means there's room to bring back that technology and optimize the display to properly handle pen input again. And realistically, a wider canvas with an S Pen makes way more sense than trying to squeeze it into something tall and narrow. Now, don't expect a built-in slot like we get on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Foldables still don't really have the space for that internally, and Samsung has never put an S Pen slot inside any Fold so far. So it's much more likely to be like before where the S Pen works great, but you'll probably still need a case to store it. What makes this even more exciting is the timing. Samsung is reportedly planning this wide fold for around late 2026, which just so happens to line up almost perfectly with when Apple is rumored to launch its first foldable iPhone. So basically, Samsung isn't just reacting, they're setting up a direct showdown. Two completely different philosophies, same launch window. And if Samsung shows up with a foldable that not only has a bigger, more practical display, but also full S Pen support, that could instantly become a major advantage. Meanwhile, Samsung isn't ignoring the main fold either. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is already shaping up to be a nice upgrade. Rumors say the ultra-wide camera is jumping from 12 megapixels to a much larger 50 megapixel sensor. 50 megapixels likely similar to what Samsung is putting in the S25 Ultra. The telephoto camera is also expected to improve from 10 megapixels to 12 megapixels, keeping 3 times optical zoom but hopefully with better quality overall. And if this wide edition lands alongside it, Samsung suddenly has a much more versatile foldable lineup, instead of just one do-everything model. And honestly, that's what this move feels like. Not a random experiment, but a strategic play. Samsung knows Apple is coming. They know the foldable war is just getting started. So instead of sitting comfortably and waiting, they're preparing multiple options, testing new ideas, and making sure they've got something strong to stand against whatever Apple brings. So what do you think? Would you actually use an S Pen on a wider foldable? Or do you prefer Samsung sticking to thinner designs like the Fold 7? Let me know your thoughts in the comments because this might be one of the most interesting battles in the smartphone world over the next couple of years. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.